Hey, welcome back everybody to Altcoin Daily. Everybody, take 2 seconds, smash that like button, support the channel. I hope to provide you with value in today's video. There are so many big things happening. WhatsApp, one of the most popular messaging apps in the world, is launching crypto payments. This is huge. Reddit, already adopting crypto, already adopting Ethereum. They're moving further into adoption with ETH Layer 2 Arbitrum. A different ETH Layer 2, Polygon, making big moves. I'm going to clue you in on this. Different altcoins, big Coinbase news, and of course, the granddaddy itself, Bitcoin. There's so many big things happening in cryptocurrency today, guys. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. We drop one video every day demystifying the cryptocurrency market. Again, smash that like button, support the channel, and let's get into it. Bitcoin looks incredibly strong. At this point in the Bitcoin bull cycle, perhaps it's gaming, perhaps it's NFTs that have caught your eye and have caught most of retail's eye. But to bet against Bitcoin historically has always been a bad move. Not only have we been showing you on this channel, whether it be shrimps, minnows, dolphins, or whales, they all continue to accumulate. In addition, from a network fundamental perspective, Bitcoin looks incredibly strong here as well. For instance, Bitcoin hash rate continues to come back online, nearing all-time highs. True resiliency. So this is when China kicked miners out of their country. We're already back on top. People continue to turn their Bitcoin mining machines on. People continue to want to accumulate Bitcoin. There's only so much Bitcoin supply flow. Hash rate continues to increase. Strength of the network continues to increase. And we do know of some of the more notable people who continue to buy. There are plenty of people we don't know about. Perhaps we'll learn about that in a few months or a few years, or maybe they'll never tell us. But stuff like this, I think, is a microcosm for what many entities are doing in the world today. MicroStrategy says it bought 1,400 Bitcoins since November 29th. The company holds about 122,478 Bitcoins as of December 8th for a value of about $6 billion. These are the details, and then we're going to contextualize these details, and what I'm going to say might surprise you. So MicroStrategy, the business intelligence software company that's taken to accumulating Bitcoin, says it bought 1,400 Bitcoins between November 29th and December 8th. November 29th, December 8th, MicroStrategy was buying Bitcoin right about here. Pretty interesting. When there's fear in the air, MicroStrategy again bought. The company paid about $82.4 million in cash at an average price of $57,000 per Bitcoin, it said in the statement. As of December 8th, the company holds approximately 122,000 Bitcoin, purchased at an average price of $29,000 per Bitcoin. Bitcoin currently trading at about 49,000, valuing the trove at approximately $6 billion. The company raises funds for purchasing Bitcoin by selling its shares. In the third quarter, the company added almost 9,000 Bitcoin to its holdings at an average of 3,000 Bitcoin per month. So let's talk about you. Let's talk about us versus Michael Saylor. If you started buying crypto for the first time in 2021 and your portfolio is up more than 1% USD year to date, 2021, you did better than Saylor this year because his average price is $57,000 per Bitcoin. Of course, since he started buying in 2020, he is up more than that because then his average price is $30,000. I guess my point is, there's plenty of opportunity out there. Fortune favors the bold. Risk versus reward. Of course, Michael Saylor was never playing the 2021 game to begin with. He's playing the 2020 decade game or multiple decades game with Bitcoin. And I think Bitcoin has the fundamentals to be here decades from now. Now, that being said, it's becoming more and more apparent to me that quality altcoin projects with good backing, with increasing network effects, with huge treasuries, They're going to be around a while too. And actually, this decade might be the decade of many crypto companies breaking the 4-year cycle. We'll see. We're getting ahead of ourselves. But stuff like this makes me incredibly bullish for long-term future of certain altcoin projects. In this case, ETH Layer 2. Polygon spends $400 million to scale Ethereum with ETH Layer 2 around the corner. Polygon has a war chest of Matic tokens it's using to acquire Mer, a startup working on zero-knowledge proofs. This is what you need to understand. Polygon is an Ethereum scaling platform. Mer works on zero-knowledge proofs. With Mer, Polygon can expand the scaling solutions it offers. ETH 2.0 is supposed to solve Ethereum's congestion problem, but that doesn't mean that Polygon, which has helped lower fees and ease demand pressure, is going away. That doesn't mean Polygon's going away. Arbitrum, Optimism, Metis, any ETH Layer 2 scaling solution is going to work with ETH 2.0, and they all don't even have to succeed. We'll see which one succeeds. The future is incredibly bright. Anyways, in this case, if you're unfamiliar with zero-knowledge proofs, zero-knowledge proofs are all about privacy. They're a cryptographic way of verifying something without handing over private information. Imagine having $100 in your pocket and being able to prove this without opening up your wallet. Mer takes that concept and runs with it so that developers can build whole applications with inbuilt privacy. Incredibly bullish on that. Incredibly bullish on crypto adoption in general. WhatsApp deploys cryptocurrency payments via chat in the USA. So WhatsApp, everybody knows what WhatsApp is. They actually have 2 billion users worldwide, 2 billion. In the United States, they have 75.1 billion, and soon all of those 75 million will have access to paying in crypto. WhatsApp has jumped into crypto integration via a new pilot program launched in the US. The app is testing a crypto payment feature supported by the company's wallet Novi. This is owned by Facebook, and they're using Novi, and the stablecoin Pax Dollar, according to Novi's chief, Stephanie Kreisel, and Will Cathcart, head of WhatsApp. Look at your screen. This is what it looks like. The feature allows users to send and receive money with Novi directly from the app, as seen in this image below. The feature will be accessible from within a user's chat, where they will be able to select the amount to be sent. Later, they'll see the receiver's name and the amount to be received. From the image, Novi will operate with a feeless model that will allow people to connect their debit cards. This will make the process of sending funds with crypto and WhatsApp, at least in the US, as easy as sending a message. So they're starting this in the US. This is a global company. You can see where this is going. Speaking of adoption, it's always nice to see when big brands start using different cryptos and different blockchains. It's even nicer to see when they continue and expand this adoption. In this case, we're talking about Reddit. Reddit looks to expand Ethereum crypto rewards to more communities. After picking ETH Layer 2 Arbitrum to scale its community points program, Reddit is looking for the next subreddit to add to its list. So these are like ERC-based community rewards points for different subreddits. Reddit first dabbled in Ethereum-based crypto token rewards 2 years ago, but has charted a deliberate path towards scaling the program. Finally, the popular online discussion community appears ready to expand the initiative to a potentially much larger audience. Today, the site launched a new website for its Community Points beta program and opened up a waitlist form, which lets users and moderators alike request the feature for their community or subreddits. So, users can earn community points in eligible subreddits by posting and engaging in discussion. The crypto points have value within each respective community and can be used to purchase features or engage in community governance, but they can also potentially be swapped for other cryptocurrencies or tokens at exchanges or used for other external purposes. You can put them on a DEX and you can do whatever you want with them, just like any crypto. Quote, community points are the first step towards a different future for online communities, Reddit's site reads. These tokens live on the blockchain, which means they are truly owned by the community. Over time, your community will benefit from even greater control and independence on and off of Reddit. Truly a very special time to be alive. We ran a poll recently, and I happen to know for a fact that a majority of you use Coinbase. Two big stories, Coinbase users. Number one, Coinbase launches high-interest DeFi yields to 70 countries. This is what you need to know. Quote, "We are making DeFi more accessible, enabling eligible customers in more than 70 countries to access the attractive yields of DeFi lending on their DAI with no fees, no lockups, and no setup hassle." So at the heart of this move is Coinbase's desire to make DeFi more customer-friendly and approachable. This is what they'll be offering. Using the DAI stablecoin, customers can opt in to earn DeFi yield. Customers' DAI holdings will be deposited within Compound Finance, which Coinbase describes as an industry-leading DeFi protocol. The interest on this yield is, however, variable. For example, in October, Compound's rates for supplying DAI fluctuated between 2.8% and 5.3%. The higher rates reflect both the unique access to global liquidity and increased risk that can come with DeFi. So 5.3% might not seem like a lot for you DeFi degens, but for the average retail or institution, 5.3% just for having stablecoins is certainly attractive. In other news, Coinbase announces Ledger hardware wallet support. Coinbase users will be able to self-custody their crypto assets with Ledger hardware wallet. Very, very exciting. I do want to take 60 seconds to thank our sponsor, and my question for you is, have you gotten your Bitcoin back credit card yet? This is a great credit card. You can earn an unlimited 1.5% back in Bitcoin on every purchase. Use the link in the description, blockfi.com/altcoindailycc. It's, in my opinion, the best in the game. It differentiates itself in a big way. No annual fee. No foreign transaction fees. You can see if you're pre-approved with no impact on your credit score. BlockFi.com/altcoindailycc. Use the link in the description. One card, more Bitcoin. Every single purchase you make, Chipotle, McDonald's, groceries, a couch, an apartment, whatever you're paying for, 1.5% back on every purchase. Your first 3 months, 3.5% back. For all big purchases, 2% back forever. And if you're trading in your BlockFi account, 0.25% on all eligible trades. I like this card. Many people like this card. This is a conversation starter. This is how you get the ladies. This is how you get the guys. This is cool. BlockFi.com/altcoindailycc. Get the card. Like the card. Yes. Are we still in a bull market? Well, travel booking site Travela now accepts Shiba Inu as payment, and they already accept many other cryptocurrencies. To me, this is bull market vibes. Anyways, that's the video today, my friends. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel, smash the like, and I'll see you tomorrow.